Changing your username on AliExpress is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your username. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select profile information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled profile or account information. Click on this to access your personal details. Step 4. Edit username. Find a field that displays your current username. Click on the edit button next to it and enter your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button. Click on it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Now you have successfully changed your username on AliExpress. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.